Crafting your brand identity. Are you ready to build a brand that will stand out from the competition? In this chapter, we'll dive into the process of crafting your brand identity and creating a memorable brand presence. Here you'll learn how to organize a brand identity strategy, develop a brand style guide, design a logo and other visuals, create and implement a marketing plan, and choose the right channels for promotion. By the end of this chapter, you'll have the knowledge and the confidence to build a brand that will capture the attention and loyalty of your ideal customers. Let's get started. Why crafting your brand identity is important for standing out from the competition. Once upon a time, there was a woman by the name of Christine who had a dream to start her own business. She had a passion for making jewelry, and she wanted to create her own brand so that she could make it big. But Christine faced many difficulties, and she felt like she was running out of options. She had no experience in the industry, and she didn't know how to create her own brand identity. One day, Christine decided to attend a local business workshop to learn how to create her own unique brand identity. She learned how to craft a memorable logo, choose the right channels for promotion, and develop a marketing plan that would help her business stand out. Armed with this new information, Christine was finally able to create a brand identity that reflected her passion and hard work. Today, Christine's business is thriving and her unique brand has gained her loyal customers from all over the world. Christine's story is a testament to the power of creating a strong, recognizable brand, and an inspiring reminder that anything is possible if you are willing to put in the work. Creating a unique and memorable brand presence. Having a unique and memorable brand presence is essential to success in the business world. It is what will set you apart from your competitors and allow customers to recognize and interact with your brand. This section outlines several key steps to help you create a memorable and attractive brand voice. Establishing an attractive and unique brand voice. When creating a brand voice, it is important to consider the target audience. Different customer segments will look for different things in a company's brand voice. It is essential to stay true to your brand identity, while also creating a voice that resonates with your target customers. Once you have established the kind of voice you want to use for your brand, it is important to find ways to keep it consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to creating a memorable brand presence. Crafting an unforgettable customer experience. Creating an unforgettable customer experience is one of the best ways to ensure that customers will keep coming back. It is essential to think about the customer experience. When creating your brand identity, consider how you can make customers feel special when interacting with your brand. This could be through offering excellent customer support, providing promotions or discounts, or even just making sure that the customer journey is seamless and hassle-free. Utilizing storytelling to showcase the brand. Storytelling is a powerful tool that can be used to showcase the values and mission of your brand. Through storytelling, you can communicate a message that resonates with your target customer segment and encourages them to become loyal to your brand. Storytelling is about more than just words, it also involves visuals that create a lasting impression. The key to effective storytelling is to keep it concise, interesting, and relatable. Examples of successful brands and their stories. When it comes to creating a memorable brand presence, it is helpful to look at examples of successful brands and what makes them successful. Some of the most successful brands have used storytelling to show what makes them unique, how they can help customers, and what sets them apart from competitors. For example, Apple's success has been built on their creative and innovative approach to technology, which they explain through stories about their products and services. Applying customer feedback to brand identity. Engaging with customers and gathering feedback is essential for creating an effective brand identity. It is important to understand the needs of customers and make sure the brand speaks to them. Listening to customer feedback can help you identify areas where your brand needs improvement and identify potential opportunities to better serve customers. By following these key steps, you can create a unique and memorable brand presence that will resonate with your target customers. Establishing an attractive and unique brand voice, crafting an unforgettable customer experience, and utilizing storytelling will help you to create an impactful and lasting brand presence that customers will remember. Organizing a brand identity strategy. Creating a memorable and consistent brand identity is essential for a successful business. Beyond having a great product or service, a company needs to have an identity that resonates with its customers. Your brand identity must be unique and clearly express the message you want to convey to your customers. When it comes to crafting your brand identity, there are key steps to take. The first step is to understand the market and analyze the competition. You need to know what differentiates you from the competition and how you stand out. This means doing research on the industry, your competitors, and customer trends. This will give you ideas for creating an effective brand identity. The next step is to create a value proposition. This statement explains to your customers why they should choose your business. It should clearly explain the benefits they will receive from doing business with you. It should also express your company's core values and what sets it apart from the competition. Once you have a value proposition, you can start developing a marketing strategy. This plan outlines how you will reach your customers and promote your brand. It includes identifying your target market, setting goals, and choosing the best channels for promotion. It is also important to build a customer-oriented identity. This means understanding the needs of your customers and creating a brand message that reflects those needs. You should consider the customer journey and create content that resonates with them at each stage. Finally, look at examples of successful brand identities. You should research companies that have been successful with their branding and marketing efforts and use them as inspiration for your own. This can be helpful to see what has worked in the past and helps you develop ideas for your own brand identity. Creating a unique and effective brand identity is essential for any business. By following these steps and analyzing the competition, creating a value proposition, developing a marketing strategy, building a custom-oriented identity, and looking at effective examples, you can create an identity that resonates with your customers and stands out from the pack. Creating a brand style guide. Creating a branded style guide is an essential part of creating a successful business. It allows you to define your brand identity and ensure consistency across all platforms. A style guide is a document that outlines the design elements you will use to express your brand. It includes elements like logo, color scheme, typography, and other visuals. In order to create an effective style guide, you must start by understanding the core elements that make up your brand. Consider your business values, vision, and messaging. Think about how you want your brand to be perceived and what message you are trying to project. This will become the foundation for your style guide. Once you've determined the core values and messaging of your business, you can begin to craft the aesthetic of your brand. The goal is to create a unique, memorable, and consistent identity. Start by choosing a logo and color palette. Consider the color psychology of colors and how they might influence the emotions of your customers. Then, determine the typography you will use. Consider using a font that is unique but readable. Make sure font sizes and line spacing are consistent across all platforms. You should also consider the tools and software you will use to design and create visuals. Photoshop, Canva, and Adobe Illustrator are some helpful and popular options. Research various design trends to stay updated on the latest trends. It's important to use your style guide to ensure consistency across all platforms. This includes using the same visuals, colors, font, and logo across all your marketing materials and website. If you're using social media, make sure there is a unified theme between all of your channels. When creating a style guide, it's important to look to the successful brands for inspiration. Analyze how they use their visuals and what makes their brand identity unique. This can be a helpful tool to inform your own decisions. By creating a style guide, you are taking the first step to a well-crafted brand that will be remembered and trusted. Your style guide will be the foundation for all of your branding materials. So be sure to make it unique, memorable, and consistent. Creating a standout logo and visual brand identity. The logo and visuals of a brand are essential elements for any business to consider when marketing itself. An effective logo can help a brand project its identity, values, and services in a meaningful way, while also conveying an attractive image that customers can easily recognize and associate with the company. By understanding what makes a logo successful, you can create an eye-catching logo that works to engage customers and help your business stand out.